Chief Justice Nuss, to summarize or not go on forever about all of his accomplishments, has left a remarkable and historic legacy. And that legacy will guide us in years to come. He has left us in a good place. Today, we celebrate his steady, determined, thoughtful, caring, transformative leadership. We thank him for all he has done to help us prepare for today, tomorrow, and beyond. We know he has new hills to take. Much of that rests with his commitment to the veterans treatment courts and veterans issues generally. And we thank his friends who are helping with that national movement that have joined us today. We wish the chief the best, along with Barbara, and we wish them health, happiness, and many dreams yet to be accomplished. Well, everyone was so used for 10 years to having the Chief Justice's signature attached to the certificate that some way they thought that would be appropriate even. And so, Chief, you have a very unique certificate, because I thought that mistake needed to be corrected rapidly and forcefully and really get the point across that there is going to be a new Chief Justice. So if you'll, I think you'll find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that I have signed this in red ink. So your retirement certificate is signed with ink.
I'm both delighted to be here and saddened by this event. I'm delighted that you're celebrating a distinguished career, but I will really miss having you here across the street. I've worked with you before, and I look forward to working with you again, but I guess Madam Chief Justice will have to do. Also, I love that the Cowboy Poets are all here. One of the ways that I got to know the Chief Justice even better was the time that we judged a cowboy poetry contest in Alma, and the winner had pink cowboy boots. It was just incredibly awesome. So I want to give you a little token. It is nothing like that very cool belt buckle, but it's the best I can do to return the favor when you gave me my Joe DiMaggio playing cards.
I wrote a paragraph in my retirement letter to Governor Kelly on July 26th that summarizes how I feel, and I'd like to read it to you at this time. I consider my service on the court to be the greatest privilege of my 37-year legal career. It has given me the honor of working with the nearly 2,000 dedicated people, judges and employees alike, at the Kansas Judicial Branch. I'm extremely proud of what all these good folks have accomplished for their fellow Kansans. During my swearing-in speech a little over 17 years ago in this building, I quoted a former Chief Justice of the United States Supreme Court, Charles Evans Hughes. And like my own mother and father, his parents tried to instill in him a strong sense of duty in their son. According to the Chief Justice, his strong sense of duty contained 2 elements. First, he had to do worthy things. Second, he had to do them well. I explained at that time that through my appointment, Governor Bill Graves generously had given me the opportunity to do worthy things, but it was up to me to do them well. I leave it to my fellow Kansans to decide if I succeeded. But I would like to leave with you the words of the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, who lived in the 2nd century. This famous Stoic wrote his meditations during his military campaigns against the barbarians. And Aurelius advised, hour by hour, resolve firmly to do what comes in hand with correct and natural dignity, and with humanity, independence, and justice. Allow your mind freedom from all other considerations. This you can do if you will approach each action as though it were your last, dismissing the wayward thought, dismissing the emotional recoil from the commands of reason, dismissing the desire to create an impression and the admiration of self and the discontent with your lot. See how little one needs to master for one's days to flow on in quietness and piety. One has but to observe these few counsels, and the gods will ask nothing more. I thank you all again, and Godspeed.